Hi all. Today we are going to discuss about a group of organisms which are called extremophiles. They are a particular type of organism which are living in the extreme conditions on different places on Earth. Here we can see that different organisms which didn't evolve through the primary evolution of Earth, they are keeping their gene pool in that particular stable condition and they are carrying out their whole genome for this evolutionary period. They're primarily prokaryotic organisms, which we can find out them in hydrothermal vents, volcanic seashores, etc. According to the type of conditions, extreme conditions they are living, we can classify them into different groups, which include halophilic organisms. They are the particular type of extremophiles which live in extreme saline conditions, like Dead Sea, where no other living organisms can survive. These organisms have special organs which are adapted to thrive in these extreme conditions. And another group of organisms which we can see here is thermophiles. They can be found at a very high temperature, very hot temperature, especially in the hydrothermal vents, which are seashores on the ocean floor. And another group of organisms which are opposite to thermophiles are the psychrophilic organisms. They thrive in cold habitat, very extreme cold habitat they are living on. And another group of organisms included in the extremophiles are barophilic organisms. These are found in very deep trenches in oceans. They can tolerate very high pressure and they can uh, optimally reproduce and they can live in these high pressure areas which no other organisms are allowed to live. And another group of organisms we can see is the oligotropic organisms, which are organisms they are thriving in the extremely nutrient deficient areas. And the endolithic organisms, they can be found in the pores within large stones and mineral grains. And especially there is another group of organisms called xerophilic organisms. There are many. They are among the many extremophiles. They are very important extremophiles because these type of organisms can be found in. They can live in. They can thrive in very low amount of water. They don't require any water for living. They need only a little water for their metabolic processes. They These type of organisms, extremophiles, have a particularly developed enzymes which help them to thrive in these conditions. These organisms are very significant in our biotechnological studies. Especially, we know about the PCR reaction, polymerase chain reaction. There we are multiplying the chain, DNA chains and genes at a very high temperature. At this temperature, no other enzymes are will be able to thrive. But the enzymes we separated from the thermostable extremophiles like Taq polymerase, these enzymes will have the ability to tolerate this high temperature and will be able to reproduce or regenerate these genes to multiple times in this PCR reaction. Other biotechnological applications are also there for these extremophiles. During our laboratory studies and everything, these organisms are vast being used. And that's all about the topic extremophiles. Thank you.